In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to count how many products are in your Shopify store and collections. Whether you're managing a small boutique or a large inventory, keeping track of your products is crucial for smooth operations and successful sales strategies. Let's dive into the process and ensure that you know exactly how many items you're working with. First things first, head over to your Shopify dashboard, the command center for all your store operations. On the left-hand panel, you'll see a variety of options. What we want to do is direct our attention to the products section. So, go ahead and click on Products. This will bring up a comprehensive list of all the items your store currently offers. It's a detailed inventory display and forms the basis for our counting process. Once you're in the products area, finding out how many products you have is straightforward. You'll see a list with checkboxes next to each product. Instead of clicking these one by one, there's a more efficient way. Look for the checkbox located above all the individual checkboxes. Give it a click, and voila! All the products in your list are automatically selected. What's great is that Shopify will provide a count at the top of the list, letting you know exactly how many products you have in your store. And there you have it. A quick and efficient way to get the total number of products. But let's say you're interested in more specific categories or collections. Shopify has convenient filtering options that can enhance your counting. By using these filters, you can narrow down your products based on specified criteria, such as product type, availability, or collection. For instance, if you want to know how many items are in a particular collection, apply the relevant filters. After filtering, just use the same method to select all, and you'll see the number of products that match your criteria. And that's all there is to it. You've now mastered a simple yet powerful way to keep track of your inventory directly in your Shopify store. Regularly checking your product numbers helps maintain accuracy, ensures your sales reports are correct, and keeps you informed on stock levels. Whether you're doing routine updates or planning a big sale, knowing the exact number of products you have can make a world of difference. Thanks for joining me today to learn this valuable skill. Don't forget to explore the rest of your Shopify features, as there are many tools designed to help you succeed in your e-commerce journey. Until next time, happy selling!